study chemical reactions and equations. Today, let us see the conventions used while writing a chemical equation. The first convention used is the reactants are always written on the left side of an arrow, whereas the products are always written on the right side of an arrow. If there are more than one reactant, then the reactants are linked with the plus sign. In a similar way, if the products are 2 or more, then they are also linked with plus sign. Now, it is very important to write a chemical equation with its physical states. Let us study about the physical states, how to write them while writing a chemical equation. The physical states of chemicals are always written with the short forms. S for solid, L for liquid, G for gaseous. Aqueous is used when the solution is with water. These all short forms are used in a chemical equation, writing inside the brackets after the chemical formula. Ammonia, which is in gaseous state, reacts with hydrogen chloride, which is again in gaseous state, and a product is formed, ammonium chloride, which is in solid state. Now, when products have to be written for the gaseous products, instead of writing G, an upward arrow is used. And when a precipitate is formed, instead of using S, a downward arrow is used. For products and reactants both, the concentrated solution is written in the short form as CONC, and a diluted solution is written in the short form as DIL. Along with this, when we write a chemical equation, it is important to state its temperature, pressure, catalyst use, where the heat is absorbed or the heat is evolved. When the heat is used during a chemical reaction, then the heat is written with a symbol on the upper side of an arrow. In this reaction, you will see potassium chloride uses heat and it forms potassium chloride and oxygen is evolved. So when this potassium chlorate is heated, we get potassium chloride. So the heat symbol is used on the upside of the arrow. In the other reaction, when heat is evolved after the reaction, the evolved heat is always mentioned in the product side. You will see here calcium oxide, when it reacts with water, it forms calcium hydroxide and heat is evolved. If we will touch the glass tube, we will find the glass tube little hot. It shows that the heat is evolved. Next is using of catalyst or using of temperature and pressure to mention while writing chemical equation. Hydrogen peroxide, which is in aqueous condition, it decomposes to water and oxygen gas is evolved if manganese oxide catalyst is used to fasten the chemical reaction. So catalyst is mentioned on the arrow. In the same way, when we write heat, instead of heat, if I want to use a specific heat, how much heat is used, or at the specific temperature only the reaction starts, then the specific number also can be written here instead of triangle. So these are some conventions which are used while writing chemical equations. Thank you, children.